of all natural numbers up to 1000 with non-repeating digit is question. So how many one digit number are possible here? A total of 9. So 2 digit numbers. So the first place can be occupied by 9 numbers excluding 0. So the first place is occupied by 9 numbers, and the next number and the next place will be any numbers excluding the first number including a 0. So again I will have 9 more ways to fill up this place. So total of 9 into 9, 81 ways. So any 3 digit number, so the first place can be filled up in 9 ways excluding zeros. Here 0 can be included, so including zeros, number of ways this place can be filled up is by 9 ways, and here the number of ways will be 8. So a total of 9 into 9 into 8, which will be 648 ways. So a total of how many ways is possible? 9 plus 81 plus 648, which is going to be 738. So which is option C is your answer for this question.